Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Aniket. In this video, we can learn how to design this part in SolidWorks. Let's start the video. Before that, please subscribe our YouTube channel and set the bell icon to all. First, we can draw this horizontal part in the front plane and then we can add the rib. So let's start. Create a new select part and click on OK. Go to Feature and select Extruded Boss Base. Select front plane. On the front plane, select a center rectangle. Draw a rectangle from the center. Give the dimension. The horizontal dimension is 75 mm and the vertical dimension is 9 mm. Then draw center line from the center. One more horizontal center line. Give the dimensions. Select this center line and this line. Give dimension is 40 mm. Then select the circle. Draw circle from this point. One more circle. Give the dimensions for circles. First is 46 mm and second one is 30 mm diameter. Then draw a line from this to this point. Same for that side. Trim the unwanted parts. Select line. Draw the line from this to this circle. Same on this side also. Select dimensions and give the dimension from center line is 4.5 mm. For that also same 4.5 mm. Then select the trim entities and remove them. Exit from the sketch. Select here, direction is mid plane. Give the thickness is 52 mm. Enter. Click on OK. The half of part is completed. Again, here is a rib part. So select rib. Go to here and select front plane. Select line. Draw line from this point to this point. Drag it. Click on OK. Again, go to feature and select rib. Give the rib thickness is 8 mm. Click on OK. The rib is on other side also. We can mirror the rib on other side. Select a right plane. Then select the feature. Click on OK. Our part is completed. View in isometric view. Give the color from edit. Select part. Give the color. Click on OK. Our part is completed. Thank you so much for watching this video. We can meet in another video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.